Hercules, hero of song and story, Hercules, winner of ancient glory, fighting for the right, fighting with his might, with the strength of 10 ordinary men. Hercules, people are safe when near him. Hercules, only the evil fear him. Softness in his eyes, iron in his thighs, virtue in his heart, fire in every part of the mighty Hercules.
The kingdom of Caledon is filled with unrest today, as angry murmurs swell to bitter cries.
Give us food, King Dorian! We are hungry!
You hear, Dorian? The famine may cause a revolt among your people.
Patience, loyal subjects. I have already sent someone for all the food we need.
Who?
Hercules!
Yes, at this very moment in a distant land, the mighty Hercules reaps a rich harvest.
The crops are all yours, Hercules. But how will you get them to Caledon in time?
Leave that to me, my friend. Hop aboard, Newton.
I already did, Herc! I already did!
Then here we go. Swifter than the east wind, the mighty Hercules speeds homeward, over lofty hills, through deep valleys, across great oceans, until the long-awaited return. Down you go, Newton. Now, go tell the farmers to come and get it.
That'll sure make him happy! Make him happy!
Hear that, Dido? The people won't revolt after all when they see this rich prize. I must get rid of it. Wait here.
The sights and sounds of the earth vanish as the evil wizard Daedalus flies up, up, up to the land of the Birdmen.
Stop squawking at me, Scretus. I know where there is a great hoard of grain, and it is all yours for the pecking.
But Zeus has forbidden us ever to fly to Earth.
Come, you won't find out. And think of all that beautiful golden grain.
Where is it?
Just follow me, Scretus.
On Earth, meanwhile, Newton returns with good news.
Herc! Herc! The farmers are on the way! On the way! Suffering Psyche! Look who else came for a helping! They're stealing all the food! All the food!
They won't get far with it.
It's raining grain! Raining grain! Watch it, Herc! Watch it!
Good work, Scretus. Fly him off to the end of the earth.
To take your flock back home, Scretus?
I promise!
Then off you go! Not you, Daedalus! You're going with me!
Olympia!
Join us at his side, standing there with pride. Victory is here, raise